Hello, my name is Dave Atwater. I am the technical sales representative for Awlgrip in Oregon, Washington, and Alaska. Coming to you today from beautiful downtown Ferndale, Washington, best known for the great log jam of 1877 on the Nooksack River. Look it up, it's fascinating history. Today I'm excited to talk to you about Awlgrip HDT, our newest and most exciting finish. For over 45 years, Awlgrip has been universally recognized and trusted within yacht coatings for our outstanding quality, our unbeatable finish, and our continuous innovation. When you see Awlgrip HDT, you will believe, like I do, that it is the new standard for yacht finishes. Yachts of all sizes have higher expectations, and finishes have to withstand tougher challenges. We leverage the knowledge gained from creating world-class coatings to design Awlgrip HDT from the ground up. Awlgrip HDT is high gloss, a mirror-like clarity with outstanding distinction of image and superior gloss retention. Durability. Awlgrip HDT combines hardness and micro-scratch resistance with repairability. True color. Awlgrip HDT provides true or more consistent color and a vast palette of colors to choose from. Awlgrip HDT comes in either single stage or as a clear coat with the use of Allcraft SE base coat color line. Both are three-part polyurethanes with a single stage being VOC compliant at all colors. Awlgrip HDT was designed for sustainability to ensure that it is right for your business for years to come. Awlgrip HDT is available through distribution and is for professional use only. Awlgrip HDT fits right into our industry-leading systems for new builds and for maintenance and repairs. We specifically designed and tested Awlgrip HDT for electrostatic spray applications, as well as conventional and reduced pressure spray systems. In addition, we have an Awlgrip HDT tips and tricks sheet available for applicators. On-site training is available, as well as training through our yacht paint application centers, commonly referred to as YPACs. Awlgrip HDT is different that it uses toners instead of tint bases for colors. This means we can do a wider array of colors, like a deeper black that we call extreme black. We also achieve less color shift over time, enabling us to offer better warranties than ever before. We have our 10 most popular colors produced at our factory so you can maintain a consistent supply and quality on these high volume SKUs. All of the Awlgrip finished colors, including Awlgrip HDT, are available on mixitcloud.com, our global color database, and can also be found via AllMatch, our newest color measuring and searching tool that is incredibly easy to use. Yacht coatings can be applied in a wide range of temperatures, humidity, and wind conditions. Therefore, Awlgrip HDT was submitted to exhaustive testing and offers a range of 3 different activators to allow application in all kinds of weather conditions. Whatever challenges you face, our team of technical advisors will provide guidance to the right mix to ensure a positive application process. Natural exposure and accelerated weathering techniques were also used to make sure that our product could withstand even the harshest environments. This approach resulted in our extended in-service performance and warranty that is now up to 24 months, and for the first time ever, we are offering a 12-month warranty on approved scratch and shoots. 20 years ago, the captain of motor yacht Windrush started as a crew member and worked his way up the chain of command to the position of captain. The 117-foot vessel was needing a refit towards the end of 2018. The captain said, "We were told by the captain of another recently refitted vessel that Awlgrip had launched a new paint, Awlgrip HDT, and we were looking to test it. So we sat down with the Axo Nobel, the applicator, and the owner, and after just one conversation, everyone knew that Awlgrip HDT was the product for us." The color on motor yacht Windrush that you see glistening in the photos here is snow white. After being shown the test panel of Awlgrip HDT, the captain of Assault Weapon was excited to have it applied to the vessel and was equally delighted with the results. The captain says, "We sanded the boat, primed it with Awlgrip 545, and applied Awlgrip HDT. Everyone was amazed with how the boat shined. The color you see here in this photo is aqua mist." I want to thank you for your time. I know how valuable it is. We believe that Awlgrip HDT is the future of top coats, and we can't wait for you to see the great results that it can achieve. For more information, contact your local Awlgrip dealer and head over to our website, awlgrip.com. There you can fill out a form to receive additional information tailored to your need.